Hi guys, how you doing? So we're going to be opening up a couple of these packs that we got today. Got them for a good price, all look pretty intact, a little bit of damage here and there when they've had them. So we'll open up 2 of these packs today. Also got 2 there, I'll show you what those are later. Yeah, so let's crack on and see what we got. I'm going to use scissors to open them because it takes me forever to get into these. Careful not to damage the cards. Try and do the card trick, 4 cards back. Right, let's see what we got. Starting up, we got Salazzle, if that's how you call it. Swablu, if that's correct. Like I said in one of many other videos, I'm not very good on names. Got a trainer there. A Hakamu. Oh, nice. You got a tag team. Raichu and Alona Raichu. That's a nice card. That. Ooh, centering's way off on that. Look at that. Yeah, still a nice card. Energy. Drampa. Gyarados. Nice. And an energy. So nice. Yeah, so we've got a nice card there. Shame. You can see on that side how different it is. Good girl. Yeah, still a nice card. Let me know what you think. Alright, next pack. Love opening packs of cards. Takes me back to being a kid. Can't believe how much Pokemon cards cost nowadays. So expensive compared to what they used to be when I was younger. It'd be like £1 a pack or something like that, and now they're like over £5 for just 1 booster pack. It's crazy. I don't know if kids still get them, to be honest. It's more the price of them. I think adults will be getting them. Yeah, so let's see what we got here. Starting off, we got another one of those Hackmoo, whatever he's called. What's next? Wooper. In the sun there, that's better. Torchic. Cute looking bird. And what have we got here? Trainer Chandler. Nice. See that? Gyarados again. Energy. Another Salza. Or Salazar. Swablu. And another trainer. Yeah, so that's what we got in those packs. Oh, Pokemon Sun and Moon Celestial Storm. Yeah. So 2 shinies we got out of that. There they are. All their glory. I like that card, but that centering is just awful. Look at it. Oh dear. I also got these 2 packs to open up, maybe in another video. And I've also got these two cards here. Now I paid 50p each per card. They were all together, so I bought a lot for a £5. And let's see what this one is. We'll leave that one for the other video. We'll see what this one is. And it is a Machamp GX. A lot better centering on this card. Still not great, as you can see, but a lot better than... Let's grab this one. This one. You see the difference? So yeah, that was 2 packs opened up. Let me know what you think. I'll try and do these every now and then, whenever I can get my hands on some. But like I say, Pokemon cards nowadays are rarely expensive. Well, I think they are, for what you get. So I like to try and pick them up as cheap as possible. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.